Did you know that one of the most elegant, powerful, and dependable vehicles to ever dominate African roads was crafted by the genius designers at Pininfarina? The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet, a vehicle that challenges what most people think about convertibles. Especially when it comes to handling tough terrain. While many see convertibles as weekend cruisers, the 504 V6 Cabriolet flipped that narrative, becoming a trusted and stylish companion across Africa's rugged landscapes. And no, it wasn't just about beauty. This car had muscle under the hood, with performance and durability that earned it legendary status. So what made this Pininfarina-designed masterpiece such an unstoppable force? Well, it's not just about its sleek looks or impressive V6 engine. It's a story of power and design, of the legendary Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet that became one of Africa's most beloved road warriors. Background: the Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet was a standout vehicle with a rich history linked to the broader Peugeot 504 series, first launched in 1968. The 504 series quickly became known for its strong design, advanced engineering, and versatility. It even won the prestigious European Car of the Year award in 1969. Over time, the series expanded to include various body styles, but the Cabriolet variant, introduced in 1974, stood out due to its elegance and performance. This model was the result of a collaboration between Peugeot and the well-known Italian design firm Pininfarina, a partnership that had started in the 1950s with the Peugeot 403. Pininfarina's influence was clear in the Cabriolet's sleek design and sophisticated look, making it a luxury car aimed at customers who valued both style and performance. The introduction of the Cabriolet variant in 1974 marked a new chapter for the 504 series. It featured a powerful V6 engine developed through a collaboration between Peugeot, Renault, and Volvo, which significantly enhanced its appeal to those who enjoyed high-performance vehicles. The design of the Cabriolet was not just about aesthetics. It also included advanced engineering solutions that improved both its handling and ride comfort, making it popular among driving enthusiasts. This version of the Peugeot 504 was targeted at a niche market of wealthy buyers who sought luxury, performance, and exclusivity in their cars. These customers appreciated the vehicle's refined design, which included a stylish interior and an array of comfort features that were ahead of their time. Production of the Peugeot 504 continued in Africa long after it had ceased in Europe in 1982. Notably, the 504 was assembled in Kenya and Nigeria, with production extending into the early 2000s. In Nigeria alone, over 425,000 units were assembled, highlighting the model's enduring popularity. The vehicle's ability to handle rough roads and its ease of maintenance contributed to its widespread use across the continent, earning it the nickname Africa's Workhorse. It's still used today as a taxi or for carrying loads in Africa. Before we jump into engine details, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Over 98% of you haven't subscribed. Think of the difference if everyone did. It costs nothing but means everything to us. Thanks for helping out. Engine details. The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet was powered by a strong and well-engineered 2.7-liter PRV V6 engine, developed through a partnership between Peugeot, Renault, and Volvo. This engine, known for its reliable performance and durability, featured a 90-degree V6 design. While this configuration was a bit unusual at the time, it allowed the engine to be more compact. The PRV V6 engine in the Peugeot 504 Cabriolet produced 136 horsepower at 5,750 revolutions per minute, which provided enough power to give drivers a lively and engaging driving experience. Alongside this, it generated 152 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute, offering solid acceleration and making it flexible across different driving conditions. The engine used twin Solex carburetors in its fuel system, a common choice for high-performance engines of that period because of their reliability and ability to mix fuel and air accurately. This setup not only improved the engine's efficiency, but also made the throttle more responsive, giving drivers better control. The PRV V6 engine had a single overhead camshaft and 2 valves per cylinder, striking a balance between performance and fuel economy. This design was intended to optimize airflow into the engine, improving both breathing and combustion, leading to smoother performance. Drivers could choose between a 4-speed manual transmission and a 3-speed automatic, depending on their driving style. The manual transmission allowed for a more hands-on driving experience, letting drivers fully take advantage of the engine's power. In contrast, the automatic transmission made driving easier, especially in cities where frequent gear shifting could become tiresome. Together, the PRV V6 engine and these transmission options ensured that the Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet offered a versatile and enjoyable driving experience, whether cruising on highways or navigating through urban traffic. Specifications and performance. The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet, powered by a 2,664 cubic centimeter V6 engine, was a remarkable example of the engineering skill of its time. This engine developed through a partnership between Peugeot, Renault, and Volvo, and enabled the car to reach a top speed of 117 miles per hour. With a maximum torque of 160 pound-feet at 3,000 revolutions per minute, the engine delivered strong performance and smooth acceleration under various driving conditions. The engine could rev up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, and with the power-to-weight ratio of 19.8 pounds per horsepower, the car provided a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Fuel efficiency, while not the main focus of the vehicle, remained respectable for a car of its class. The 504 V6 Cabriolet had a fuel consumption rate of 17.5 miles per imperial gallon. This balance of power and fuel efficiency was achieved through careful engineering, including the use of twin Solex carburetors, which optimized the fuel-air mixture to improve combustion. The car's lightweight construction further enhanced its performance, making it agile and responsive on the road. The production of the Peugeot 504 Coupe and Cabriolet models was a collaborative project between Peugeot and the Italian design company Pininfarina. The initial assembly took place at Pininfarina's factory in Turin, where the bodywork was crafted with great precision. The nearly finished cars were then sent to Sochaux, where the engine, transmission, and suspension were installed. This thorough production process ensured that each vehicle met the high standards expected of a luxury cabriolet. The 504 Coupe Rally. The Peugeot 504 V6 Coupe had a strong link to Africa, especially known for its impressive performance in several African rallies. The 504 series, including the Coupe, gained legendary status in the African rally scene because of its durability and reliability. The car made a name for itself in the East African Safari Rally, one of the toughest events in the world, demonstrating its strength and engineering quality. The 504 sedan won the East African Safari Rally in 1975, driven by Swedish rally driver Ove Andersson. This win showed the car's ability to handle rough terrains and harsh conditions, making it popular among rally fans. The Coupe, with its powerful 2.7-liter V6 engine, continued this legacy by participating in various rallies across the continent. Design details. The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet was a beautiful example of car design, strongly influenced by the famous Italian design studio Pininfarina. The exterior of the 504 V6 Cabriolet displayed Pininfarina's signature features, which included smooth, elegant lines and a well-balanced, proportionate shape. Its convertible soft top was a highlight, designed to fold neatly into the rear section, keeping the car's sleek look whether the top was up or down. The front of the car stood out due to its distinctive lighting arrangement, featuring 4 rectangular headlights that gave it a unique and sophisticated appearance. Inside the Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet, the luxury continued with the use of premium materials and finishes. The interior was adorned with high-quality leather and wood trims, creating a sense of refined elegance. The dashboard layout was functional and stylish, with a center console that housed the shifter and other controls, all placed conveniently within the driver's reach. The instruments were well organized and easy to read, offering all the necessary information without overwhelming the driver. Market value and units produced. The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet held a special place in the collector car market. Its value ranged widely, with top-quality examples selling for between $22,500 and $59,000. Originally, the 1974 Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet was priced at around $29,500. Several factors influenced its value, including its condition, originality, and historical importance. Cars in concours condition, which were restored to their original specifications, commanded the highest prices. Originality was highly valued, with cars retaining their factory parts and specifications being more desirable. The car's condition, from the bodywork to the interior and mechanical components, played a major role in its market value. The Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet's elegant design by Pininfarina, combined with its significance in French automotive history, made it highly collectible. With only 31,163 coupe and convertible units sold in total, the Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet became a rare and sought-after classic. Its exclusivity, combined with impressive performance and timeless design, earned it a lasting legacy among collectors and automotive enthusiasts. Its rarity in North America and appreciation for its solid construction, style, and driving experience further added to its appeal in vintage car exhibitions. Pininfarina's work on the Peugeot 504 V6 Cabriolet cemented its legacy as an unstoppable classic across Africa, blending style and durability. What do you think made the 504 V6 Cabriolet such an iconic model? Was it the smooth lines or the fact that it can probably outlast most modern cars? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.